Here we have a wild 1835E in an RC 6020. Hi guys, it's Blake from Warrenton Equipment, and today we're going to show you how to hook up a Woods RC 6020 on an 1835E. If you have a new tractor, you may need to move your balls around to get the paint off of them. Now back up close to your rotary cutter. On your PTO, there's a collar that you need to slide back when you slide it on to the tractor. And make sure that it clips in. Now back up the rest of the way. Now connect your lower link. May need a little kick. Then connect your other side. It may need adjusted in or out, which you can do by turning this right here to turn it in or out. Now connect your top link. Which you may have to adjust out, which you can also do by turning it out. Now slide your pin in. And slide your locking nut down. Now that it is connected, check to make sure that your PTO engages. And that's how you connect a rotary cutter to your tractor. Don't forget to like, follow, comment, and subscribe. If you have any other suggestions, comment below. If you want more information, come stop by and see us or contact us.